Hello again, and welcome to our look at the upcoming June 24th trading session. Pretty quiet day, economic calendar-wise. Crude oil inventories, of course, will affect the crude oil markets themselves. Although we do have final GDP out of the United States, that could be a big one. So let's pay attention to the U.S. stock markets. Okay, so looking at the S&P 500, we initially tried to rally during the session on Tuesday, but fell back a little bit as we found resistance again. We're just simply looking for a pullback that we can buy calls based upon. We think that eventually the market goes higher, but it may need to build up a little bit of momentum. We are, of course, in the middle of the summer, and that typically lends itself to find a trading range, and it might just be a simple buy every time we dip, and then eventually we break out. We'll have to wait and see. But we do like supportive candles for short-term calls. The euro fell pretty significantly during the session, but we actually like buying calls in this market on signs of support, and it does look like we're starting to see them. We feel eventually this market breaks out at above the 115 level. It is a very strong buy. In the meantime, we think that dips offer value based upon fears out of Greece, and it looks like the Greeks are probably going to come up with something. So, as usual, the euro sells off based upon that news, and then the buyers step in. So we are call buyers. Gold markets had a soft session again during the day on Tuesday, dipping just below 1180. There is still a significant amount of support down to 1170, so we are buyers of supportive candles. We don't have one yet, but look to short-term charts. It could give us call buying opportunities. With that, we've taken a look at the Wednesday, June 24th trading session.